my channel. Today, we're going to be playing Roblox. Roblox is this free game that is the free game that you can all play. So what I mean is, hello, honey. And yeah, so I also want to tell you guys, join my group. It's called Men and Women Potatoes, and that's what I'm going to tell you, and I'll just show you what it looks like. It's awesome, and you guys will love it. I'm trying so I can share some Robux with you guys, and yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, but I can't because I have no group funds. I maybe would if you guys can join my group. I have no funds. As you can see, it says funds and it says 0. I have no more. And yeah. And this dude want me to get people joins. So this dude wants me to give him some Robux. And I said yeah. And so I couldn't because I had no group funds. And so this dude went down here and he said, oh, well, this is just a scam. She's not going to give you away Robux or anything. And she's just so mean. He was just so mean to me. All I was doing is trying to be nice. But he was like so mean to the room. I'm just so sad. And it's weird because I was just trying to be their friend and they asked me like a fool. So that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to be nice. I'm going to see if I have any good group funds. Hi. So, guys. Okay, so you gotta go pay out to Emma _ I. Search members. I only have 3 Robux to pay out. And that's all I could give people, but I think I need 100 group funds so I can get that out to you guys. And I don't know how to get that much because no one's joining my group except these guys. You guys rock, and when you do, you guys rock too. Subscribe, like, and yeah. Bye. Well, not mine. We're going to join a game. Let's go. K2 drip, drip, drip. K2 drip, drip, drip. K2 drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drip, drip, drip. I'm drinking soda. I'm drinking my mommy's soda, but she told me not to. And there's no air in my house right now. I don't even know how I'm surviving. And already? That was really quick. Honey, come back. We're going to spectate and see how these people are doing. He's hacking and go 1, 2, and he's just guarding. He can hide, but he can't. But the light is always so. What I'm trying to say is the beast can hide. But he basically can't, kinda, because he has his light. So it will be impossible to not show his light.
And this dude is just over here hacking, going upstairs hacking.
funny. Hack. Hope he doesn't mess up in hacking. Because if he does, that's just my worst nightmare for him. He's right there. Definitely. He's right there. No, why would you do that? Why would you freaking do that? Why in the Lord did you do that? Why did you do that? Why in the heck did you do that? Why did you do that? Are you serious? Why did you do that? Are you serious? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? That's why. Why did you do that? He's guarding the last computer. He saw you. Pretty sure the beast just saw you, but he's not going to leave because I think he's pretending to hack. Can he? Basically, I can't see him. And this and then just give it up. Like, leave the game. Please race crit. Oh, he's pretending to hack the computer. Beasts always do that, like me. I do it sometimes. Scam them. That's a nice distraction, boy. Oh my god, he's literally... Okay, we're gonna join another server. I don't want to waste all my time. I only have 7 minutes left to film. So I'll see you when I join another server. I am back, and I am better. I am back, and I am better. So, today, we're going to play some more Freedom for Trilogy. Guys, don't judge me. This is very cringy. Very. If you comment, yes, this is very cringy. Don't blame me. I want to make some funny freaking content. And it's selling. So please, like and subscribe. I'll be right back when the game loads. Interesting, right there. What's that? My table. I'm so cute. I don't know. I was dressed up, and then all of a sudden I wanted to play. I wanted to film. I've always wanted to play. It's not my first time playing either. Are you freaking serious? Honestly? I said honestly. Honestly, captains also play tags. Forget this. That was really mean, because I love this game. You can't lie. That was good. He's really cringy. He's like, capture me. Because when you see the way to capture you, you will work that. You know you're gonna be going to bed in the morning. Okay, I have 5 more minutes to film. I'll just see you when I get done hacking this computer. The beast freaking rage quit. Which means we have to close out this video. And wait for next round. It's me. I am the beast. And I haven't been the beast in quite a while. And I'm really surprised I'm the beast. I don't know why, I just really am. I haven't been beast in a while, like I just said. I am so cringy. I'm pretty sure you're gonna hate this video even now. This is not my first video. It might be on my channel because I keep on uploading and it's not working at all. But I didn't get no sleep because of y'all. And I don't get no sleep because of me. Are you freaking serious? Oh, so that was a distraction. So y'all could get out. Oh, I see what y'all doing. Y'all juju on that beating. Y'all juju on that beating. Juju on that, juju on that, juju on that cheating. You guys are breeding. I don't even know what the heck that means. I'm only 7. I don't get no sleep because of y'all. And y'all ain't no get no sleep because of me. I think someone's pretending to be like, oh, we're going to get out of this because we're not going to hack, actually. Okay, so y'all actually going to hack me. Like, I got computers to hack. I don't have no time for this. I don't deserve this. So this one is just now getting hacked, which means he might be under one of these tables or left the room. So what this means, if he's not underneath none of these tables, he's in a room closer to it. So he went out this window. Okay, he crawled. Where's your town? So what this means, if he went out to edit this, he could be down here somewhere. He or she, I don't know. To be honest, I only have 2 people. He could be in here now. Okay, there we go. I got him. Now I have one more person again. Person. Okay, I have 2 more minutes to film. After this, I'm gonna have 1. So, guys, I might as well end it almost here. Okay. The sad thing is, I might as well end it off here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and just comment down below on what else you want me to play. This was not from a comment or anything. I just played it because I kind of love this game, and I'm on level 14. So, guys, if you want me to friend you, like I said, I give free friend requests, and yeah. And join my group so I can give you Robux. Bye! It's ending off. Bye!